Oh, I wanted to ask you a huge favor. If you already know me, or if you don't know me yet, or if it's the first time that you watch this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find many topics in my peculiar style. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so every time that I upload a video, you will watch it immediately. We will be touring nothing more and nothing less than the La Quebrada, Sinfonía del Mar, and many other places. As you can see, there are a lot of surfboards that are alluding to the whole celebrities who has came to Acapulco in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. By the way, I'm not editing this part just because I really wanted to show you the whole route that you can take from La Quebrada to Sinfonía del Mar. And this is the Sinfonía del Mar. And this mountain is La Quebrada from Sinfonía del Mar. And here we are at the most famous tourist attractions in Acapulco, Mexico. As you can see, this is a beautiful, beautiful place. And let's go to the La Quebrada to see the show. It's really hot here. These 5 brave guys are going to jump from the cliff into the sea below. They perform daily shows for the public. And by the way, this place is also mentioned in the movie Instructions Not Included by Eugenio Derbez. There is a restaurant and a hotel named El Mirador. It is famous there. To see the show costs the equivalent of $2. And please don't even think about jump like that because they have a training. They are professionals, so please don't do it. It was an amazing show. It was terrific. So now it is time to go to Sinfonía del Mar. This is an scenic spot in Acapulco which is really amazing. It is an outdoor stepped plaza that occasionally hosts concerts. Many people comes here to enjoy the amazing sunset with an incredible view to the Pacific Ocean. You have to see by yourself how wonderful it is. Sinfonía del Mar is definitely a must-see place to go in Acapulco. So make yourself a favor and don't miss it. So now it is time to go to the La Roqueta Island, Isla de la Roqueta. Come with us. We start to feed the fish, and as you can see, you can go and snorkeling in this beach. Here we go to the museum in La Roqueta, Acapulco. Here we go. Jennita in Acapulco. Jennita around the world. This is for people who always exercise. I'm not a gym girl, so well, after hiking this mountain, we finally made it to the top of this island, El Faro. There is a lighthouse and a museum that it was unfortunately closed. But I'm leaving you these amazing drone shots, so enjoy it. it's time to say goodbye to the island, but please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!